I'm going to start this podcast with one particular childhood memory. As a student, I remember the most common form of punishment in this school used to be utthak baithak. It's like a specific kind of sit-up. Utthak means to stand up and baithak means to squat. Usually I would get in trouble when instead of paying attention to the teacher, I would be chatting with my friends during the class. That's when I would hear me and my friend's name being called upon and we would be ordered to do, say, 10 or 15 of these sit-ups. Let us first understand what exactly is Utthak Baithak. It is actually a form of yogic exercise for the brain. With recent interest in the field of yoga, a lot of research has been done by scientists and doctors across the world to study its cognitive and neurological benefits on human brain. The new term in vogue for Utthak Baithak nowadays is super brain yoga. The method in super brain yoga is exactly the same and is based on the same principle of acupressure and subtle energy movement in the body. You will be surprised to know that we are born with around 100 billion neurons. In a fully developed human, a complex system of 300 million neurons connect the left and right sides of our brain. Just like exercise helps us have a healthy body, similarly the brain also needs proper exercise to stay alert and active. Utthak Baithak is beneficial for people of any age or condition, like young students, adults, seniors, patients with attention deficit disorder, Down syndrome, Alzheimer's, or patients dealing with any other type of developmental or cognitively challenging issue. Now let's understand the scientific explanation behind Utthak Baithak. According to the research of Dr. Joa P. Jones of the Department of Radiological Sciences at the University of California, the exercise works using the body's energy centers, which are actually major acupressure points. Several energy points for the brain, eyes, forehead, mouth and temples congregate at the earlobe. When pressure is applied to the earlobe during exercise, it directly affects all the related facial parts. In addition, the finger pads used in the exercise stimulate neuropathways to the brain. In a study, the EEG result showed an increased amplitude in the parietal and occipital region, resulting in increased electrical activity in the brain. The scan also showed that the right and left hemispheres of the brain were much better synchronized after the exercise. When done correctly, it helped the energy trapped in the lower energy centers to move up. When passing through the heart center, the practitioner was observed to have feelings of calmness and peace. When the energy moved up further into the throat center, there was significant improvement in the practitioner's intelligence and creativity. Talking about super brain yoga, Master Chua Kok Sui explains how the brain is a living battery and must be regularly recharged so that it can retain memory and intelligence. He states that energy connections are generated to power the brain. In another research, it was observed that after just 1 minute of doing Utthak Baithak, there was a marked increase in the brain's alpha wave activity, which stimulated creativity and alertness and decreased depression. Now that we know that Utthak Baithak has a very strong scientific base, let us learn the correct way of doing it. First, stand erect with your feet shoulder width apart and toes pointing forward. Place your hands to the side. Now fold your left arm across your body to hold the right earlobe between your thumb and index finger. Make sure that your thumb is in the front and finger is towards the back of the earlobe. Now cross your right hand over and hold left earlobe between your thumb and index finger. Again, the thumb will be in the front. Apply gentle pressure to the earlobes where you are comfortable but never in any pain. As you hold your earlobes, roll your tongue inwards and press it firmly against the roof of your mouth. Inhale and slowly lower yourself to a squatting position. Try to hold this position for 2 to 3 seconds. Exhale as you start to get back up to a standing position. Repeat this squatting and standing action 10 to 15 times while gently applying pressure to your earlobes all through the exercise. With practice, you can slowly increase the number of repetitions. Next, let's discuss some benefits of Utthak Baithak. In 2011, a study by Harvard-affiliated researchers at Massachusetts General Hospital substantiated the claim that regular meditation helps sharpen our focus and improves our memory and learning. Utthak Baithak or Super Brain Yoga is a form of yoga where the acupressure points on the earlobe stimulate the brain activity. Few of the benefits of Utthak Baithak are as follows. 1. It provides better control and balance over emotions and reduces psychological stress. 2. Synchronizes the left and right side of our brain to improve function and promote calmness. 3. Alternating between squatting and standing, it is a great exercise for flexibility and health of the joints and backbone. 4. It energizes and activates the brain, stimulating neural pathways, thus enhancing mental clarity and creativity. 5. Utthak Baithak helps people with learning difficulties, behavioral problems, autism, and Alzheimer's. 6. It also helps attain inner peace and spiritual growth by increasing the flow of pranic energies within the body. Apparently, this simple activity has such a deep and profound effect on our mental health. I'm so glad to finally be able to understand the scientific reason behind those sit-ups. I believe if students are encouraged to do Utthak Baithak every day at school in the morning for maybe just 5 minutes, it will help them with focus and concentration for the rest of the day. Let us know your views and experience of Utthak Baithak if you haven't already tried it. Would you like to try it out for a week and see if it helps you in some way? Do visit us at science-krith.com for more such interesting concepts. We appreciate you joining us for this podcast. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.